Oh no.
Oh no.
There goes my fire. That goes the fire.
Angel on the track.
This is the tale of one man killing two sons of
I
Set.
hope this makes you happy.
You can watch me ride off into the sunset. Every day is like a cliff bar. Dumbledore on an endless quest, but I like natural titties and doors that are ajar. Everyone living behind closed doors. It's kind of funny to me when the black mirror's cracking down on everyone. They just keep thumbing through their screens. Oh Lord, why am I stuck on this trajectory of stumbling toward, staring the eye of the beast? I could easily put my finger on it. It's existed long before my first breath. Makes me question boomers, without respect. I wanna gloriously drop a gainer of a nuclear bomb into the militarily industrial complex just because, they basically stole the world. And at this point my mother is this beautiful pearl that's floating through the universe. Oh no, so much cosmic dust in a rust belt. This country is supposed to be God's given land, but now it's Sodom and Gomorrah, Babylon through a beast stumbling. Unfortunately, I'm just Dumbledore's lost son. That's not possible because two men can't have birth. Dumbledore was gay.
Sorry.
I like women. Anyways, back to the point. I'm just a man killing two sons of Set. Oh Lord, you got me on a trajectory. You guided me like a heat-seeking missile. But the problem with that is the enemy's cold-blooded. So you got me walking out here blindly, unfaithfully questioning you, 'cause that's not even allowed. But good thing I got two sons of Set on spikes, and I'm flying through the clouds.
I hope I made you proud.
Oh Lord, you can't question my purpose, 'cause you made me feel this way.